kitchen and we're ready to roast this prepped, dry rubbed organic turkey from the Good Life Farm.
And if you haven't already, watch our video. You can click in the corner here to see how we got to this stage of having it prepped. And now we're going to show you how to stuff an herb butter under the skin and roast it. First thing you want to do is preheat the oven to 450 while you prep the bird so you're ready to go.
Stuffing the skin with butter adds a lot of flavor to the breast, which is really important when you're cooking a whole bird, and it keeps it really juicy.
Once you've stuffed the butter in the skin, tie the legs and then pour some liquid in the pan. And today we're using Good Life Farm's Workhorse Cider.
We're gonna start the turkey in the oven at a higher temp of 450. That's gonna brown up and crisp the skin, then drop it down to 350 to finish the cooking time. You're gonna wanna plan on 15 minutes per pound of cooking time, but it can really vary. So check it about halfway through your expected cooking time.
Yeah, and it's a good idea to set the timer as well. And don't worry about basting the turkey because this method will make it really juicy and crisp. Keep the oven door closed, let the turkey cook evenly. This is what we call the chef's right. You have to try the turkey.
Make sure you dip it in there.
Oh yeah, get it in that juice.
Oh yeah.
So juicy.
It's so juicy. So herby.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna love it.
Do this at home.